Welcome to the travels of Suzy and Ray. What we have here today is my order from Amazon of a hopefully titanium pot and cup for Suzy for our new trip that we're going on to the Great Smoky Mountains in a little bit. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Comes in a little brown box, nothing special about it. This is going to be $45 also from Amazon. Lixada camping cookware for backpacking. Ooh, I like this already because I like that it comes with this outer case is really cool. It makes life so much easier, I believe. And I can put stuff with that. Comes with this. So we got two basic items here. We have our cooking stuff, and this is going to be a little spoon, I believe. So there we go. Look at that cute little titanium spoon. There it is. Hopefully you can see it, the name. But no, that's pretty cool. Neat little spork, spoon and fork that I just kind of broke a little. Put it back together. So clicks out and then clicks back in, folds up, nice. Put it back into its little sleeve. So here's the main thing, pots. A little drawstring to get into it. There. Comes in this little plastic foil stuff, which is really bad for our sea turtles, so need to get rid of that responsibly. Another little thing. This is almost like those Russian dolls where you pull one thing out and another little doll's in there. There's our pot. This pot is on the inside, I think, ounces, 300 ounces, 750 milliliters. Comes with a little thing if you want to hold it like a cup, or this so you can hang it on the fire. That's kind of cool. Check out this. This is probably going to be cup. Again, its own little holder. More sea turtle unfriendly plastic. The lid for it. So this is basically, how much is this? 420 milliliter. We have our 750 milliliter, our little spork. So this is what contains. Lightweight titanium for $45 basically, but it's a pretty good, nice, compact setup. This I'll obviously put in here. Lid on this. Goes back into here. That. Will I use the smaller one? Probably not. Seems excessive. Just put all of this back into this cool little container here. That's it. That is our Suzy's new pot and cup